Namaste, yogis. Hope you're all doing well. Week 3, Dincharya experiment, and apologise for the state of the hair and probably windburn cheeks because I've just back from an 8-mile hike in the Lake District. I have to say there was a lot of snow, there was a lot of ice, so I had my spikes on for the first time this year, but it was just beautiful. Now, exercise doesn't mean, because that's what Dincharya challenge for this week is. It's about trying to get 30 minutes of exercise, preferably outdoors, every day. So as the week goes on, we'll maybe talk about doing a morning yoga practice and things like that. But I'd like to see if you can get outside for a walk in the park, round your neighbourhood. You don't have to do 8 miles in the Lake District. That's perfectly okay. But just getting outside for half an hour a day has amazing benefits for your health, not just physically. And exercise is not about what it makes you look like. It's not about, the shape of the body that gives you, which will happen. You will notice changes in the shape of your body the more you exercise. But I think getting outside in nature for half an hour a day is more about this space. My son, who I went walking with today, actually said to me that before he settles down to start the day, he's now started going for a 15-minute walk. He picks up a coffee, he walks 15 minutes back to the house, and he said the difference in that, in how that makes him feel, and how his brain feels ready to take on the day, he said is just immense. And I absolutely get that, now that fortunately I've got dogs and they get me out in the morning, but you don't have to. And I picked this week because the weather is really, really nice. It's cold, it's crisp, but just put on some layers, get yourself out there and see if you can do half an hour and see how that feels. And we'll talk a little bit more about how we should exercise, because of course exercise is good and we should exercise in the morning. And again, I'll talk a little bit more in future about why that is. But think about the emotional benefits and the mental health benefits just as much as the physical benefits as you go through that week. Notice how you are feeling. And I'll come back tomorrow and chat a little bit more. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.